I should find this ZERVOS and see what he knows about Sefetu. See if he's connected to the Scarab. I will ask among the merchants, see which are friendly to him.
Good day to you, Neb. Any metal work I can do for you this day?
What are you looking for today?
The Harbormaster, ZERVOS.
Do not ask about him. The guards killed him.
I am just looking. You know about a man named ZERVOS?
The Harbormaster? Huh. Why are you asking about him?
I have heard he is missing. In hiding? Perhaps dead.
What would you do if Sefetu put a price on your head?
Ah, I see. I am not one of Sefetu's men.
I don't know anything about it. I don't stick my neck out. I have nothing to tell you. Finest metalwork in size!
You look like a strapping sword. Looking to improve your armor?
Long night?
Very. Sorry. What are you interested in?
At the moment, I'm looking for ZERVOS.
The Harbormaster. Of course. ZERVOS is... away.
Away?
Yes, he's gone to Lutopolis. Attracted by the promise of a new life.
Then he is not dead.
Dead? Why would you think he was dead?
Good day for business?
Not half bad. What are you looking for today?
For ZERVOS, the Harbormaster. Do you know where to find him?
You are looking for who? Why? I don't know him. I heard he was dead. Why are you bothering about him? He was a good man.
A good man? So you do know him?
I don't. I just heard others say it. Leave me be.
Decision, gerecht? By order of Sefetu, a curfew is imposed in town after dusk.
Whoa.
How are you keeping?
As best I can. I'm tired of hiding.
We are not fighting men. Can take the bounty off my head.
I am not one of Sefetu's men. I'm searching for ZERVOS, on behalf of Hakuf.
Good. I am ZERVOS, mighty Harbormaster of Sais. Forced to hide on my own docks.
Why is Sefetu after you?
That dog. He is strangling the whole town.
Taxes us to death.
He burned my cousin's farm.
That's right.
I've been doing what I can, helping people hide their imports and exports. What Sefetu does not see, he cannot tax.
And he figured it out.
His men raided my business and my house. But I hid my records on my felucca. If they haven't found my boat yet, they soon will.
I'll see what I can do.
My felucca is tied up at the Sais docks. I would prefer to have it back in one piece. But if you must destroy it, go carefully. Sefetu's men watch the harbor like hawks.
No miss Neo Gideon?
Whoa. I should not be seen in this area.
Hey, what? Hey, get this bird off!
My decision gerecht.
You needn't hide any longer. I secured your felucca. Your documents are safe.
You saved my felucca. Here. Take this as a small token of thanks. You have made things better here.
You clearly have people who are willing to help you out, ZERVOS. Why don't you take on Sefetu?
Sefetu is too powerful, too greedy. He knows there is no one strong enough to stop him. We are not fighting men. Sefetu surrounds himself with soldiers. His base at Fort Nikiu is guarded with ballistae. Fool that I am. I helped him import them.
May Amun watch over you.